Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this redstone trap. So basically how this works is, here, let me set myself to survival first. So I am now in survival. So if I run into this or walk, the pistons open up, then it drops me into the lava pit and I die. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a piston trap in Minecraft. So first, start off by digging a 4-block deep hole that's a 2x5 4-block deep hole. It can be any length the hole can actually be any length you want. That's just how long the corridor will be. Because this is a trap where it's just a corridor, and then people walk into it, then the floor of the corridor opens up, and then they fall into the lava. So now that we have our 4x5 hole, you can fill that up with lava or whatever you like. I'm going to do some lava and some cobwebs. So yeah, we have this. Now, the next thing we need to do here is to place our pistons. So make sure the pistons are 1 block away from the hole in between, so that when they extend like this, the wood block is covered up to cover up the hole. So make sure you place the pistons with the 1 block gap from the hole. So place 5 on both sides like this. Alright, so now you have the pistons for your trap done. So next we have to place redstone behind the pistons. Fill that up. And then right here at the end, whichever side you prefer, place down 1 redstone torch. Then you can fill in the middle with wood. So this is how the trap should look and fill the sides with wood so people don't see it that well. You're supposed to cover this up completely once you're actually done with it. Then dig a trench that extends all the way to both of the torches. And fill that in with redstone. Place 2 solid wood blocks right here and 2 pressure plates on top. And you're done. Something's wrong here. We forgot to place redstone there. Alright, now it should be good. And then you're gonna fall and burn and die. So yeah. So if you want to conceal it, then you'll have to make this longer, as well as this corridor. So yeah, it's preferable to do this somewhere in like an underground base or something, so people don't notice that large strangeness, or build it somewhere inside your base so or in a place where people can't see it from the outside, else they'll get suspicious. And yeah, now let's try it out in survival. Wait, first let's get a bed so we don't respawn far away. Game mode S. Alright, I'm in survival now, and it's quite hard to escape from this. So you're just running around along the corridor, yada yada yada. There's a person behind you. So in this case, that person is a zombie. I'm gonna jump. Oops, that's not supposed to happen. Well, I'm dead now. Just wait till I die. But you're supposed to jump over and go over it, then let lure the zombie in. So in this case, the zombie would actually be the person. Hey. Then you let the zombie follow you and falls over. So in this example, it'd be a real person, not a zombie. So you could try it with the villager. Except, yeah, the zombie's still going for me. And we see the villager slowly being killed. And a bunch of the people are falling inside. And yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.